today, Joy, what are we cooking?
We are going to make a sizzling tofu. O kaya sisig tofu. Sizzling lang kasi nasa sizzling plate.
Okay.
And
Let's show the ingredients.
So the
are you ready
ingredients-
for the ingredients, guys? So,
alright.
here it is. So, our cameraman will show you.
So this is our tofu actually right here. I kind of like patted with paper towels so we can take out the
Water.
excess water. So I keep pressing so it'll be easy to fry. We're going to fry this later. I will show you how I'm going to cut it.
And also, we bought the firm.
Yeah, this is a firm tofu. Yes.
Okay.
Okay, so we have here green bell pepper. We do have red as well. And of course, the main spices we have chopped garlic, red onions, some jalapeno. So this is optional if you don't want it too spicy. You can skip this. And then we have banana pepper. I kind chop it like this. And this is like, you can save a little bit of this for garnish. And then we do have the spring onions. I just kind of chop it like this.
From our garden.
From her garden, yes. And we have 1 egg, whole egg. This is not cooked,
Raw egg.
We will need some mayonnaise.
Thank you.
Okay, so chicken liver, you can skip this if you just want vegetarian or no meat at all. So you can skip this part, but you know it makes a difference. So we have some seasoning. This is optional if you know Filipino uses a lot. It's a Knorr seasoning.
Knorr seasoning.
Yeah, and then oyster sauce, and we do have soy sauce. We will need calamansi juice or lemon juice, whatever you have available.
Calamansi is yummy.
Salt and pepper. Okay, so first thing first, we do have a preheated oil back here, but we'll move it here. I'm just going to show you how we're going to cut the firm tofu. Okay, so I'm just gonna cut this like this, and then like that, and then I'll put the in between because they have more water inside.
So it will not like splash.
Yeah,
right?
it's not gonna be hard to fry it later. And then I'll just cut it like this. So I'm gonna cut in the middle so it's even out. Try to make it even. And then we'll just make it cubes. So if you want, you can like cut in small pieces. It's really up to you. Okay, I'm just gonna transfer this here in this plate. Alright, so we cut the tofu like this and then we're just going to fry it.
Okay.
Or let's just make it like
medium. Medium.
Alright, so be careful when you fry. It's really hot. So this is the first step. We're going to fry the tofu. So make sure it's slowly drop them up like that. Yay! Oh, splattering. Be careful when you fry. There you go, guys. So we're just going to make the tofu crispy the outside and like it's so firm inside. Just like that. And be patient when you're frying tofu. That's the key. So you get that crunch.
So we are medium heat, Joy.
Medium. I'm gonna turn it a little bit to medium to a little bit high. You know, I got this idea because when I was in the Philippines, one of my cousin made this. So it was pretty basic, ingredients. So, in Philippines, you can buy the tofu already cooked like this. But, you have the options like the hilaw, like uncooked, or you already have the cooked one. So, it kind of just gave me an inspiration to do it here. But here in America, we do not have like cooked tofu ready. I don't know. Nice.
And then Chef Blue said, Joy, I have a trick with tofu. I put it in an oven at low heat to remove the moisture or to kind of dehydrate them.
That's a
And
good
then
thing. Yes.
somebody is going like, hold on, I cannot hear. And then when there is less moisture, then I fry so really crispy. So
That's a great idea.
yes, thank you for sharing that, Chef Blue.
Yeah.
We can dehydrate it in our oven too. Maybe you can like
Yeah, for next
try,
time.
yeah.
Yeah. So I'm just doing the old-fashioned way. Okay. So just watch a little bit. I'm gonna turn the heat a little lower. Okay. And then where's the iron? Cast iron. I'm going to preheat it. We're going to use a cast iron to saute the rest of the ingredients. Okay, so our tofu is done. I'm going to put it in.
Mega. Oh,
Alright, so we're gonna set that aside. Oops. One more.
one more.
Set this aside.
Okay, you want this?
Yeah.
Oh,
course I can
do
hold
you
that.
do you want a bigger one? But wait, can you?
Yeah,
wait,
that's fine.
Okay.
That's fine. I got it.
Okay, here's our tofu, fried tofu. You can see it's really crispy. Maybe I should ask you. Oh, go ahead.
Oh, you know
go
what? I
ahead.
forgot. Forgot to mention we need garlic powder.
Oh, garlic powder coming up. Okay.
Well, you know what? The problem with me, I don't measure. So, siguro mga 1/4 cup to. Or
It's okay.
more. So, mayonnaise. And then we'll put garlic powder. You can eyeball it. Depends on your taste. But the more, the better. Because it's just garlic flavor. So this is onion salt. You can use just onion, but if you don't have, somebody doesn't have, okay, that. And then we'll need a little bit of that because since I already have
The
salt,
onion salt,
yes.
right?
And then black pepper, or if you have powder pepper, you can use that too. I'm just gonna mix this. Like this. You can add paprika if you want. But Marie, I don't know if you like paprika.
Do you want? I can.
No, it's up to you.
I have it.
That's optional.
Oh, it's
This is
optional.
This is good. I like more the garlic. Alright, so we can set this aside. You can add more if you
Oh
want more.
yeah. Did you say Knorr? We do have Knorr.
Yeah, we have Knorr. You can use that. We can add a little bit of this now here in this sauce. So let's just splash.
Is this the
more.
same Knorr you're talking about, Chef Blue?
So this is the mayonnaise. I'm gonna taste it. Oh my god,
What happened?
so good
So good.
already. Iron. Pretty heavy. So this is already
Preheated.
preheated. I need to turn it on. You know what? This oil. We're just gonna use the oil. So I'm putting oil.
I have a butter here too.
Okay na. I need butter later.
Okay.
Alright guys, so we're just going to saute everything here. Of course, first thing first, we need this garlic. Mainit. Alright guys, Mary should dance.
Yes.
So lots of garlic, better. You know, we love garlic.
Healthy garlic.
Thank you guys so much. And then we have the red onions. I'm gonna save a
Oh, how
little bit.
many?
Oh, this is like a quarter of the big
Quarter of the
Yeah.
big onion.
Add here our chicken liver. I chopped this. I cut them in small pieces. I'm putting everything. This is like a one. Tingnan yung mukha mo.
Liver.
Well, Marie needs liver. Mommy, she's not eating enough liver. Ayaw niya.
Is that
It's
for
good.
for iron? Is that
Yes,
iron?
yes, it's good.
So if you're low on iron, eat.
Yeah, this is
This.
way better than what do you call this? Pork or beef. Then I'm adding oyster sauce.
Oh, there's the Knorr again.
Knorr. And a splash of soy sauce.
Yes,
Just
atay.
Atay siya, yeah.
Atay.
Honey, we have no more fire.
Oh my gosh! Why?
Naubos yung
Okay,
fire
okay,
natin.
hold on.
Okay.
I am ready, guys. I knew this will happen. I don't know
Okay.
why.
How do we do this?
Unlock. Okay.
Unlock it. Yeah, unlock it. Be careful. It's hot. All right, let's try it again.
There you go. We're back in business.
Yes. We're back in
Uy,
business.
meron pa. There's still more.
Namatay siya.
Okay.
And then, pepper.
Thank you, Chef Blue. Thank you, everybody, for just being here. Thank you so much for watching us.
Thank you guys so much for all your support. That means a lot.
My automatic.
Okay. So I'm gonna add a little bit of calamansi juice from this part right
What are
here.
you gonna cook, Destin Turtle? If you're still there, if you can still hear me. Because she's gonna cook together now.
You know what? Since this is a lot, I'm gonna save this for later. I'm gonna take a little bit. Oh!
You do have drinks.
Our the modulator.
Armonton 049 is providing us drinks.
Yes, so I'm adding the green bell pepper,
Here, Joy.
the red one, and our jalapeno.
I'm done with this. Right?
Yes, I'm done with that. So look at the color, guys. Look at this.
Oh my. Wait, I will help our camera moderator, all of the above.
There you go. So I'm just gonna put half of this jalapeno because Marie doesn't like spice. Too spicy.
Uy, I learned how to eat.
Oh, okay. Let's put this
Oh,
in.
no, oh my gosh. I just said I learned. Okay.
She's eating
I'm letting
spicy
it go.
now. So I'm just adding that. And then I'm adding the banana pepper. So I'm gonna save a little bit for garnish. I'm adding the crispy tofu.
Yes. If you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, it's just free to subscribe in YouTube. Hope you can. Oh, I was gonna say if you know of our YouTube channel.
Maria, I'm adding this now.
Oh, what is that?
The mayonnaise that I made.
Oh, the mixture mayonnaise.
Yes. So I'm adding the mayonnaise. Well, I kind of lowered the fire because we don't want it to.
Oh, that looks good now.
Yeah, there. It's gonna get good.
Oh,
I'm gonna turn it off.
Thank you, Jenny.
So I'm adding the.
Jen is already our subscriber in YouTube.
Yay! Thank you. Okay, and then we're just gonna toss this. Look at that, guys.
See, the chicken inasal is really my favorite. Like, I will make some chicken inasal right now. Wait, hold on. Here's our chicken inasal. There.
See, that's it. This is it. That's all we need.
Ooh.
This is our version of our tofu sisig.
Thanks,
What's missing, Marie?
wow! It doesn't taste like the liver. I can eat it.
Told you.
Oh, remember, Carl and Lila want some.
Oh yeah. Make sure
Our
we'll
neighbor.
save some.
Our chef Carl.
Okay, let's drink to that. Where's my drink?
Oh,
This is so perfect. When we don't have beer, we don't drink beer, but we drink this. Very light. Very hot.
can you see here at the back?
I'm just gonna drizzle this. It's
So
gonna
she's
be,
putting some butter
butter.
in the
Sizzling
sizzling plate.
Alright, and then I'm going to transfer it here.
Double. Okay. And then,
So,
careful.
yeah, this is very hot.
Okay.
You wanna zoom it? Very hot. Yay, there's a sizzling! A sizzling tofu!
Do you want me to help you? No.
There. What's in there? Oh, the sakit. Yep, that's the thing.
I thought that's done.
It's done. That's why we just put it in a sizzling plate. And then on top of that, we're going to put the egg. Look at that. Yes. So we're going to add the egg.
LRB, you're here.
There's our egg.
They're all here.
Thank you guys. We're just drizzle with our leftover.
They're all streamers, guys.
On.
So
Then we have this and the banana pepper. Maybe because I really want the egg to be cooked, I'm going to put it here.
more. Okay.
Okay.
We're saying I'll be there in 10 minutes.
Okay, are you flying?
Yeah, flying.
Sure.
Yeah, what?
Alright, we're done. So that's it.
Oh, you take a eating time.
Eating time.
Okay, is this?
I'm just gonna.
Okay.
Oh, I just used that to break the eggs. So the egg is halfway cooked. And you know, normally you don't really cook the egg yolk. You mix that with the rest of the tofu. So, you know, as you can see, the egg is not cooked. I'm going to break it and we'll mix it with the sisig. That's how it's done. Okay? Alright, so I'm breaking this in and mix it so the egg yolk will cook. There you go.
It's so good. And it's not even spicy. That's what I was asking.
But you know, I just put one jalapeno. So you
How
can,
many do
you can use red chili pepper, but since Marie is not that doesn't like much
this
spicy,
is their favorite. I can't believe it's a lot of people's.
Yes, you know, and the thing with this is healthier than yung pork meat. Like,
Oh, that's sisig. That's pork.
yeah, do you?
That's yummy.
It's so good. Oh my god. I feel like I want rice.
Oh, I have rice. You like rice? I do have rice, but we have to heat it. Yummy.
Hot.
Hold on. Rice coming up for Joy.
Thank you guys so much for watching us. See you next Saturday for another
Fun cooking show.
fun cooking channel. Sabi ng moderator. Sabi ng aming producer.
See, it's like, why is it like that?